Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a post on your Facebook business page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So a couple different ways. If you want to make a basic post, you can just do it like you would traditionally with your personal Facebook profile. Just click on the What's in Your Mind field on your page and you can go type in your post details, attach media, as well as in fact the visibility. So either if you want it public, which is pretty much the only option here. However, if you want additional options, you can go and select the show menu icon at the top left, and then underneath more tools, select Meta Business Suite, and then select the create post button right here at the top. And then you're going to have much more detail here to work with. It's definitely more professional, I guess, in terms of modifying stuff. You definitely have access to the scheduling tools, since you do not have access to on the more basic section that we were just under. So again, you can post the videos, photos. If you have templates, you can upload them as well. If you have Vimeo attached or synced up. So we're going to go ahead and close out of there. Again, you can schedule or set the date and time for the post to be released, as well as adjusting the privacy settings, whether you want to have it set to public or restricted. So if you want to set it to a certain age category, you can do that through here, as well as if you want to have certain regions that have the ability to actually view this post. So pretty straightforward. If you want to boost it, you can do that too by toggling into the on position. And then when you're finalizing the post, you can go ahead and select different demographic information you want to target with your SEO strategy. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.